very brief history of AI. You can trace the history of AI back to 1950 when Alan Turing introduced the Turing test, a test that was designed to verify if machines could think, if you could determine if a text was produced by a machine or people. In the fictional film The Blade Runner from 1982, the main character used something called the Voight-Kampff test to identify whether somebody was a robot or not, playing with the concept of the Turing test. The first documented use of the term AI was in 1956 by John McCarthy, professor of Dartmouth College. From 1957 to 1997, there were no big bangs in the development, but things were slowly brewing. There were speculations about future possibilities expressed in some famous sci-fi works, the AI HAL in Stanley Kubrick's Space Odyssey 2001, Skynet in the Terminator movies, where the AI becomes an enemy of humans. In 1997, we have a milestone in its development when the chess program Deep Blue defeated the world chess champion Garry Kasparov. In 2011, the program IBM Watson beat the best players of the quiz game Jeopardy! The success of Deep Blue and similar programs was mostly based on accumulating already existing data, already existing chess moves from human games of chess. There was not much of a creative initiative from the program beyond that. Following a couple of breakthroughs towards self-learning machines, there was the milestone of Move 37 by AlphaGo. The game Go is a very popular game in East Asia, a game that many thought would resist AI success for a long time. The programmers of AlphaGo fed some previously played Go games to the program. It knew the rules and then learned and improved from playing it. In 2016, AlphaGo played Lee Sedol, one of the best Go players in the world. In the second match, AlphaGo made a move, Move 37, that puzzled everybody. All the human experts thought it was a mistake. It turned out to be brilliant, and the AI had taught humans something new. In 2021, AlphaFold 2 made a breakthrough in biomedicine, and in 2022 and 2023, we see ChatGPT and other similar AIs appearing, and things seem to be taking off. Today, AI is creating a lot of challenges in traditional education, where the efficiency in creation of academic work is multiplied with AI. Institutions find themselves trying to identify AI input in students' work, in some place playing police in a hopeless battle with the future instead of embracing it. AI is also working with data from biased world, some would say dominated by the patriarchy. It also appears to include incoherent political and moral restrictions between different AIs. The human programming does, after all, include the biases and the moral and the political view of its programmers and supervisors. The questions I would like to propose for our next session are the following. 1. Is AI influencing your life? If so, how? How will it possibly influence your future? Number 3. What are the dangers of AI? Number 4. What areas will change because of AI and which will not change? Following our definition of the human being in our previous talks, could AI become human at some point? That's all for now. Look forward seeing you next Saturday.